Clear basics, changing the way of learning. Please like, share and subscribe. Clear basics, changing the way of learning. Please like, share and subscribe.
Hello little friends, a warm welcome to all of you from our very own YouTube channel Clear Basic, changing the way of learning. Clear Basic family will together be a part of your successful journey and will also help you to engage with all best possible contents in order to boost your performance. We all will accept a positive cooperation and response from your end.
So please like, share and subscribe our channel for our latest notification and updates.
Best wishes to all of you from our team Clear Basic. Friends, I hope you all are doing well in this corona outbreak. Wash your hands regularly and wear masks and maintain social distancing. Stay at home to protect yourself. So friends, without any further delay, let us start our session. Today we will cover the 12th chapter of Math Magic, Money. So friends, first we have to know what is money. Look at this picture friends. I hope you all have seen it before in the fair or in the marketplace. We all go to market and shops to buy things for our daily needs. So we need money in order to purchase different items. So money can be defined as the medium of exchange such as notes and coins and demand deposits used to pay for buying any items and services. The value or price of items or services which is paid using money. Friends, observe this picture carefully. Can you tell me whose picture is this? Yes, very good friends. This is the picture of Gandhiji. We can find his picture on Indian currencies. Now friends, let us move on to our next slide. Friends, let us know some important points about money. We earn money for our living. People exchange money in order to purchase goods and enjoy services in return. We use money in form of coins and notes like 1 rupee coin, 5 rupees coin, 10 rupees note, 100 rupees note, etc. Every coin and note has their own value written clearly on it. Friends, if you have not seen our previous videos, then click on the I button on the top of the screen to check out the best to best contents. Now friends, let us move on to our next slide. Friends, look at the coins currently used in India. This is a picture of 1 rupee coin. Next we can see the picture of 2 rupees coin. Now friends, can you tell me which number is written on the surface of this coin? Yes, you are correct. The number is 5. So this is a 5 rupees coin. And the last one is the picture of 10 rupees coin. Now friends, let us move on to our next slide. Friends, here we can see the notes which are currently used in India. We have to identify these notes. This is the picture of 5 rupee notes. Next one is the picture of 10 rupee note. Next one is the picture of 20 rupee note. This is the picture of 50 rupee note. This one is the picture of 100 rupees note. This one is the picture of 200 rupees note. This is the picture of 2000 rupees note. And the last one is the picture of 500 rupees note. Friends, I will provide you more examples worksheet on our FB and Telegram groups. So don't forget to join our FB and Telegram groups. Link is in the description box below. Now friends, let us make the given amount using the combination of coins. To make 1 rupee, we can use only 1 rupee coin. Next, to make 2 rupees, we can use 2 1 rupee coins or 1 2 rupees coin. Next we have 3 rupees. To make 3 rupees, we can use 1, 2, 3, 1 rupee coins or 1 rupee coin and 1 2 rupees coin. To make 4 rupees, we can use 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 rupees coin, 4 1 rupee coins or 2 rupees coins or 2 1 rupee coins and 1 2 rupees coin. Next, to make 5 rupees, we can use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 rupee coins or 1, 2, 3 1 rupee coins and 1 2 rupee coins or 1, 2, 3 1 rupee coins and 1 2 rupees coin, or we can use 2 rupees coin and 1 rupee coin. Next, to make 6 rupees, we can use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1 rupee coins, or we can use 2, 3 2 rupees coins or 1 5 rupee coin plus 1 rupee coin, or we can use 1, 2, 3, 4 1 rupee coins and 1 2 rupee coin, or we can use 1, 2, 3, 4 1 rupee coins and 1 2 rupees coin, or we can use 2 1 rupee coins and 2 rupees coins. Friends, I hope you all have understood this clearly. Now friends, it's time to discuss the answer of the previous day's surprise question. Check your answer friends. The answer of the previous day's question is balloon. Friends, look at this picture. It can be found in a fair. It is filled with air and children love to play with colorful balloons. Friends, I hope you all have answered it correctly. Now guys, it's time to reveal today's surprise. Let us come to the question of the day. The surprise is, whose picture can you see in this note? Friends, observe this picture carefully and comment your answer below. In my next video, I will discuss the answer with you. Thank you guys for your love and support. We hope you all will be with us in this journey. Then we can definitely accomplish our mission. See you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned with us to get the latest updates of our upcoming videos, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.
Thank you all for this session. If you want to be updated with the notifications, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.